Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to align your text with icons in Microsoft Word. So as you can see over here, I have this icon of a contact book, and then I have the word contacts here. Now what we want to do is highlight the actual text that we would like to work with. And here on the top of your page, you're going to go over to the left-hand side and you're going to tap on Home. And here we are going to look for the fonts section, and there's a little arrow there. Now once we go in here, we want to go either from fonts, we want to go then to advanced. Now once we're in advanced, you'll see over here the position, which is third from this list, is normal. What we want to do is we want to put it as raised, and here you will be able to sort of move this upward. Now you will not be able to see every time you make a change, so you'll have to make the change and then tap on OK. Now currently it's at 3 points, but we're going to increase that to 10, and if you tap OK, you'll see that it has moved up. Now it's not high enough for my liking, it's not centered, so I'm going to put it up a dash more. Let's put it up to 20 and tap on OK. Now that looks good, but we can do it one more time. We're going to put it up to 24 and we're going to tap on OK. Now if you look at that, that actually looks pretty good. It looks as if it is now in the line or the center of my icon. There we go. If this was helpful, give us a big old thumbs up, show your support. We'll see you next time. Cheers.